Hello and welcome back again to my channel Susan Good TV. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how I made my daughter cornrow with a natural hair, but I attach already twisted hair on the tip. This is the hair I made myself. If you want to know how I made that hair, you can just go to my channel and you will see this particular video about how I made this twist. So I decided to put it on the tips of this hair. So I didn't twist it, I just put it. So guys, if you want to know how this hair play out to be, just watch till the end. So first I have to just apply a little oil to the hair, then I comb it. And so first I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to weave and cut out the one I'm going to weave back. So I'll just line it. Then after that I'm going to use Shanajan, and this is the hair that I made that I just talked about. So I have the video in my channel. So I'm going to just cut it down and twist it and make it, weave it, and after weaving it I'll twist it like I'm going to finish the hair, but at the end I will be attaching the already made a twisted hair to it. So guys, just keep watching and see how this hair turned out to be. So now I am done with the back. So after making this, so all I need for this hair is just the already made hair and extra rubber band and the crochet pin. But the crochet pin is not a must. But I decided to use it, but not all. I also share on how to fix it without using a crochet pin. So now we're done with the back. So I want to weave two to the side. So I decided to start from here and just weave it down to the side, then before I weave the other ones to the other side. So now I'm done with the ones I weave to the side. So here I start this one from here to the side. Hope you're getting the way I'm cutting the zigzag. So just to bend your comb, I know that, like, I don't know if I'm explaining it well. First you cut it straight and you bend your comb to the other side and you curve it back. So if you don't understand the way I'm explaining it, just see the way I'm doing it. It's very easy. And the reason why I just put that zigzag is to just give it a style, and the style really came out so beautiful. So if you watched this time, that means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate you all. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. To our old and new subscriber, we thank you all for your support. So I'm just adding China jam to it to smoothie the part. In case I'm doing it and I'm weaving it, like mixed together, is a zigzag. And another thing is I use comb to like part all the edges so I can easily just hold it. I part this place again with comb because it was kind of joined to the other ones I've parted before. So that is why I use comb to like separate it very well, because that is the last part I'm going to curve before I weave it straight down to the edge. Also guys, you can also check our YouTube channel for more videos. For the video, I made a wig and self hair, make my hair, and for more kids hair, in case you are the type that like kids hairstyle. So for more kids style for kids, they are all here. You can just watch to support our channel. Thank you so much. Because of the scissor part I cut before, so, and the other one I didn't make it zigzag, but it's going to give it a little bit style. So that is how I got that other style, because of the zigzag, and it now makes as if I made I wanted to make it two, but it was just one, but it came out so perfect. So guys, tell me what you think about this hair. Do you like it, and do you want to try it? So we are almost done. So now I am attaching this hair I twisted myself, this Brazilian wool. So first I use crochet to put it, and I use the hair to tie it from the beginning. Then I just start putting it inside that twisted hair, and trust me, the thing stay, it didn't go out, because you know it's wool, is tight. And another thing, if you feel like okay, you want to secure it more, you can use rubber band to hold it, you know, to just make it more secure. So watch how I do this last one. So I put it in crochet, I hold the hair, so I take it out, and to the root I use the hair to tie it first round, then take it round again. So when I'm taking it round again, that's when I will start using it to put it, like to refill that twisted part. I don't know if you guys are getting me, you know, just be putting it inside that line until there is no more hair left in your hand. Keep doing it, just keep rolling it until it's done. So guys, look at how it is. It looks as if I weave the hair from the beginning, right? It looks so perfect, it looks so beautiful, and I'm so happy. Like this hair that I made it, I used it before, and I will keep using it. Like, I'm not getting tired of this twisted hair anytime soon. Like, that's why I like this already made hair. So if you've not seen the video, or what are you waiting for, go to my channel and watch how I made this hair. You can make it, it will save time for you. So here is the styling I had I apply on my hair. It's very important, guys, to apply this on cornrow. It really helps hair, it helps your hair, strengthen your hair and all that. Okay guys, so, and you can get it in Calfland, Edeka in case you live in Deutschland, and Rosma, DM, you know, places like that. Okay, so you can get it anywhere like that. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.